am Jennifer with the Perfect Fit Alterations. We are located in Burleson, Texas. Our phone number is 817-447-3522. We are now continuing on with our project. We're using backstitching to put on trim. We have chosen some sequined trim. The sequins are already sewn on the trim, so it's easy for us to add it to our project. We're going to put it on the bottom side of the petcoat so that once it's sewn on, then you won't be able to see the white on the back. You'll only be able to see the sequins. We want our puppy to look good. Okay, we put our pressure foot right down, not quite at the edge, just a little bit in from the edge. Make sure that our white trim is on the back side there. We're going to make sure that our machine is on straight stitch because we've just gotten through with the zigzag stitch, so make sure that you put your machine back on straight stitch. You're going to go forward three stitches. You're going to back stitch to lock your stitch into place. You're going to push the reverse key, hold your stitch into place, and then you're going to continue on with a slow straight stitch around the petcoat, making sure that the white on the trim, make sure that you keep your finger right here on the edge. If you don't watch what you're doing, you'll end up sewing without the white trim on the bottom. Now as you start to come to the corner, you want to slow down a little bit, keeping the fabric on the edge. Now I'm going to stop here. I'm going to lock my stitch in place. So I'm going to do a little bit of back stitching right there on the corner. Make sure that this trim doesn't come off because it's going on the dog. And you know dogs play rough sometimes. So we're going to go slow around the corners. We're going to stop and lock it into place in the on the back side. To make sure that everything is secure, you're going to stop. Hit your back reverse key on your machine, and then you're going to continue on sewing. Slow down around the corners again. Make sure that your white backing is on the back side. And continue on to the end.